The 1980s and 90s were a classic time for pizza lovers. Welcome back to the Mindstorm channel, the channel that brainstorms in creative ways to help increase your income. From the iconic logo to the delicious menu options, Pizza Hut was the go-to restaurant for a slice of nostalgia. Remember how you felt walking into one of the restaurants and seeing this, or smelling these? Do you remember how awesome those little mini personal pan pizzas were? And while you ate, you got to eat on those little tabletop games. Nostalgia is an emotion that can evoke strong feelings of longing, comfort, and warmth. Some might say that nostalgia is a bittersweet emotion. It can bring back both joyous and painful memories from the past. Pizza Hut tapped into this universal feeling and came up with their famous Newstalgia campaign, which aims to evoke a sense of fondness and longing for the past while also embracing the future. To help launch the campaign, Pizza Hut teamed up with actor-comedian Craig Robinson for a TV spot showing Robinson playing a retro Pac-Man game while enjoying a nostalgic tastemaker pizza.
Come on. Man, me and Pizza Hut go way back. I've been playing this game since '82. You ever think Pac-Man gets tired of eating these same little dots? I mean, who eats dots anyway? I need a variety. I can get any 3 toppings on my large pizza for just $10. Pepperoni, sausage, bacon. Run, little man, run! Go! The $10 tastemaker, only from Pizza Hut. I think I'm about to out-pizza the Hut. No one out-pizzas the Hut.
In a modern twist, Pizza Hut has partnered with Pac-Man to offer a limited edition Pac-Man box featuring an augmented reality version of the iconic game, printed directly on the packaging. Fans can play it using their smartphones. The campaign also features a mix of classic menu items, such as the original pan pizza and the stuffed crust pizza, as well as new and innovative offerings, like the Beyond plant-based Italian sausage and the Flavor of Now menu, which features a rotating selection of bold and creative toppings. When the fast food giant announced this Newstalgia campaign, it aimed to bring back the magic of those decades to customers old and new. By combining the best of the past with the excitement of the present, Pizza Hut is hoping to appeal to a wide range of customers, from those who have been loyal fans for decades to younger diners looking for something new and exciting. This amazing campaign successfully brought customers back to the company's restaurants with its unique approach to marketing. Through their use of nostalgia, Pizza Hut was able to capitalize on the emotional connection that consumers have with their favorite childhood dishes. The success of this campaign proves that focusing on a customer's emotions can be an effective way to increase sales and brand loyalty.
Every time I eat stuffed crust from Pizza Hut, I play this song. But watch what happens when I play it backwards.
Eat original stuffed crust backwards.
What did you say, record?
3 toppings, just $11.99.
Amazing! The original stuffed crust, just $11.99. Only from Pizza Hut. No one out Pizza Hut. No one.